video to help practice with the harmony part for Amazing Grace. Here we have the key signature of F sharp and C sharp, and we are in the time signature of 3/4, 3 beats in 1 measure. Please take a note that these 8 notes are all slurred. You also have a tie between a dotted half note and a half note. So you have 3 beats plus 2. So you're holding for 5 total beats. I would always count it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then you have an up bow here on the 3rd beat. You also have a dotted quarter note, which is counted as 1 and 2. This slurred 8th note is the and of 2. So let's go ahead and start practicing this. I'm going to set a metronome to 58. This will act as my quarter note indication. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and. It's always a good idea to vocalize the beating, right? If you can vocalize it, you can play it for sure. So let's get into playing position. My bow is ready. My thumb is along the side of the neck. I'm getting my F sharp ready, the short red tape, and my bow will be placed toward the upper half, somewhere around here, because I have a quarter note as my first pickup note. Here we go. Let's start on beat 3. 1, 2. And make sure you hold the last note for a total of 3 beats, even though it's written as a half note. Have fun practicing!